All right, this week or over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to work on helping you get more control over those fingers. So, I think we have a situation where your fingers do stay away from the fretboard a little bit too much. Too much distance between the fretboard and your finger. And when you're, especially going backwards here, when you change the string, like your ring finger is just not getting down in time. So you can have your fingers way out here, so long as you actually got them down in time. So you might need to work on getting your fingers closer. But that's the main thing. Like sometimes it sounded like accidental pull-offs happening when you were trying to go down. So we're going to do something special approach before putting the whole thing together. So I want you to work on this one bar at a time to begin with. That's it, just this one bar to start. Now when you do this, you're going to keep your fingers down as much as you can. So after the first note, and you go to that second note, you should have 2 fingers down right now. And then when you go to the third note, now you're going to have 3 fingers down. So you need to keep your fingers down. Watch your fingers when you do this. Make sure they stay down because we don't want them coming up. We don't want them coming up at any point until you have to remove a finger to play another note. So you got the first note, that index finger stays down. Second note, the ring finger is going to stay down. Third note, now all 3 fingers are down. Fourth note, we have to take the pinky off in order to go back to the 7. Then we put the pinky back down, pinky comes off, and then finally, the ring finger will come off. Work that up by itself. And then, work the next bar up by itself. And use as many days and sessions as you need to for this. So maybe like the first day or 2, you work up each bar, depending on how much time you have. No time limit on this either. Just get it up as fast as you can. And always end on the good take, of course. So if that means if you can do all 3 bars in one day, great. If you need a few days, you're going to do like 1 bar per day, that's fine too. Because we have plenty of time to do so. But anyway, second bar, same idea. Put the fingers down and keep them down as much as you can. So after we do this, well, 1 bar at a time, right? Never mind. So starting here, that index finger basically never comes off the guitar. So you got your first finger, second, fourth finger. So you got all 3 fingers down now. Then pinky comes up, goes back down, comes up again. Then finally the middle finger comes off. And then same thing, working up the third bar. Keep those fingers down as much as you can. Alright, so let's hit each thing. A couple speeds here. 60 of course. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all 3 of those speeds, hopefully you saw, the fingers stay down. Alright, so back to 60 for bar number 2. Whoops. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. Wait a minute, let me go back and do multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you work up each bar as fast as you can by themselves, then you're going to do 2 bars. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have any sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next 2 bars together. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, if you need to, just take one day to work those up together and then another day to work those up together. If you have the time, you can do it in the same day. It's fine. So yes, each bar by itself, get each one as fast as you can, then 2 bars at a time, and then finally putting the whole thing together. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And actually, I just realized this is the repeats in the wrong place. It needs to be there. Okay. Let's go down to back to 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 'Go. All right. I think that'll do it. Any questions come up, let me know. Thank you again for the gift. Very much appreciated. And yeah, see you again in 2 weeks.